Is your Lincoln Corsair dropping its Apple CarPlay connection constantly while you drive? Studies show that the vast majority of these frustrating connection drops are actually software or cable related. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to stabilize your link. Start by ruling out the basics like a damaged cable or a dirty charging port. Software mismatches are common, so check for pending updates on both the car and your phone. If it still drops, head into the iPhone settings to refresh the CarPlay handshake. Try these software fixes first, but if the problem continues, you might be looking at a hardware module issue. Most owners resolve this by simply replacing their cable with a high-quality alternative. If you head to the shop, be specific about when the drops happen to help the technician. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot connectivity issues on the go. Remember, persistence with software resets often saves a trip to the dealer. If this helped, hit subscribe for more Lincoln maintenance tips.